In the absolute beginner class, we learned how to use effects or timeline to make animations. In this video, we will introduce two more ways to make an animation. In a real project, we usually mix many methods. Firstly, if you want to make a subject move at an average speed, for example, as a plane flies, you can use motion. Select the plane object and add motion. The icon looks like a running man on the extension panel. Then we see its property panel. We can set the motion speed and a motion angle. Remember, we count the angle clockwise. So if you want the plane flying a bit up, you need to put a minus number. Turn on autoplay and then you can preview it. You can see the plane flying at a very steady speed. But no plane flies like this, right? So let's make it fly more realistically. We can use either effect or easing. In this video, we will introduce easing. It is a word in physics, but you don't have to understand physics to use it. Let's just remove the motion and add easing to the plane. It's also on the extension panel. Now you see the easing property panel. You can also set up the angle of its movement. Then instead of telling the system about the speed, you need to enter radius and the duration, which means the distance and the time of this movement you'd like to set. Where you see the plane now is the starting point. Let's set 400 pixels in 2 seconds. Then you click the easing type. It is a drop-down menu. In it, you can see different types of easing. The curve helps you understand how the movement is. Select one and preview it, so you can visually figure out what each one is like. It's very proper to use easing if you want to do some animations like a ball dropping. Because in the physical world, the ball will bounce several times if it's dropped to the ground. Let's add a ball image in and set the angle as 90, radius as 200, and duration 2 seconds. This means from where you see on the stage, the ball will move 90 degrees for 200 pixels within 2 seconds. Now choose Ease Out Bounce as the easing type and preview it. It looks like the ball is dropping. You can also use physical world to do animation. It will be more real. That is a video in our intermediate class.